How to send USDT from OKX to Binance. So if you want to send USDT from OKX to Binance, then in order to do so, you just need to simply first launch your OKX mobile application, and then you have to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you just need to simply tap on the Assets tab, which is on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once done, you'll be landed to this page where you're going to see the amount of USDT that you have in your account. Now over here, in order to send it, you just need to simply tap on withdraw once. And once you tap on withdraw, it will show all of your cryptos that you have in your account. So among the given cryptos, you just have to tap on the USDT. After that, you will be able to see this type of pop-up in the bottom where you will be asked to select the withdrawal option. So you can simply select between on-chain internal and fiat. So you just need to simply select the option of on-chain. Afterwards, you need to fill out these details. So over here, you just have to open up your Binance mobile application, and there you have to select the USDT. Then you need to copy the address of the USDT from your Binance and simply paste that over here. Once you've pasted that, you need to enter the amount on the second or the next blank. You need to simply enter the amount that you would like to send and then tap on the max option. And here it will show you the fees. So simply tap on submit once you've entered all of the information. And once you tap on submit, you will be able to send the USDT from OKX to Binance. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.